Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by getting your Ps5 and account ready. Sign into PlayStation Network and verify your subscription covers cloud streaming. Once signed in, install any available system updates and reboot the console so background services load cleanly. Make sure your Ps5 is primary for your account to access saved data and streaming permissions. Also check network settings now. Switch to a 5 GHz band if available, and run a connection test so you know upload and download speeds before moving on. Next, enable the specific features that allow cloud streaming. Open Settings, go to System Remote Play, and toggle Remote Play on. Enable Remote Start if you want to launch games remotely. Then link your Ps5 to the PS Remote Play app or a licensed streaming service by following on-screen pairing codes. Once paired, make sure to configure video quality. Choose higher resolution for fast networks or lower bitrate to reduce lag. Finally, test a short connection to confirm input responsiveness and visuals. Now you're ready to start streaming. Launch the game on your Ps5 or use Remote Play to start it remotely and pair your controller if prompted. As you play, watch for latency spikes. If you notice lag, switch to a lower quality preset and close other bandwidth-heavy apps on your network. If connection problems persist, power cycle your router and Ps5, verify NAT type is open or moderate, and prefer wired Ethernet where possible. This usually fixes most streaming dropouts and input delay issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.